Okay, now we will study English. Hello guys. Hi. Okay, yeah.
Get ready. Let's pray together. Ready, steady, go. Finish. Greet to the teacher.
Good morning my students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm very well, thank you. Yes. Oh, okay. How pity you are. Get well soon, dear. Okay, you are welcome. Yeah. Okay, my students, let's sing Indonesian anthem. Please come in front to lead the prayer. Stand up, please. Hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu ibuku. Indonesia bangsaku, bangsa dan tanah airku. Marilah kita bersatu, Indonesia bersatu. Hiduplah tanahku, hiduplah negeriku, bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya. Bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya, untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. All students present? Okay, may I check one by one? Who is absent today? Aden Saputra? Okay, Alvan Taskia? Ananda? Aracel? Aren? Alvarasya? Aurel Baruna? Aska Putri? Devin Hikam? Fahri Apriliano, Fani Lubai Batus, Zahro. Oke, Fatwa Al Umam, Hafizah? Where is Hafizah? Okay. Imam Prasetyo? Iqbal Hanafi? Isna Zakia? Keisha Gracia? Lingga Junda? Mainanda? Muhammad Sakif? Oke. Muhammad Ilmi? Nadli Farezi? Naila? Ainunia? Raditya? Oke. Rainisa? Ya. Rafiqul Umam? Salsabila? Syahrul Mubarak? Talita? Febri Dewi? Yatima Fathul? Okay, good. So all students in 9B present today. Yeah, good. Today we will study about the animals. Yeah, animals. Okay, I will give you a video or photo to talk about animals. White, just white. How is it? Okay. Okay, we will study about the animals of Indonesian origin. Orangutan. Okay. Okay, I will give you the video about orangutan. What is it? Okay. This is orangutan. If you see the video, what do you think about orangutan? Yes? Oh, it's scary. Yeah, it's scary or funny. How about you? Scary or funny? Scary. Oh ya, yeah. Oke, scary ya. Jadi memang menakutkan ya lihat orangutan itu karena long hair. They have long hair, rambutnya panjang-panjang, menakutkan bagi kita. Oke, scary. And then what else? Apa yang bisa kamu lihat ketika kamu berpikir ini orangutan? Apa yang ada di pikiranmu selain scary? Halo, hey students? What else? Okay, I will give you the questions here. Okay. Ya, orangutan like this. What do you think about orangutan? This picture? Selain tadi lihat video, sekarang tak kasih gambar. Apa? Ayo. Ya, oke, Mas.
Normal food. Sometimes I receive ask how they
Ya, dia tidak akan galak kalau kita tidak menggalakinya, gitu ya. Jadi di orangutan ini it's normal like us. Sebenarnya dia itu binatang yang tidak seperti harimau, singa, and so on atau krokodil, tapi dia akan galak ketika kita mentreatmentnya dengan membuat dia terganggu, maka akan memancing dia untuk menjadi binatang galak. Oke, next. Oke. Ada yang bisa to describe the orangutan, best you know, ya Mbak? Oke, ya. They have powerful arms. Ya, karena untuk bergelantungan. Ya, pastinya powerful. How about you? Are you have powerful arms? Sometimes, ya. Maybe kalau yang olahragawan itu harus powerful ya kita ya. Ya, they have powerful arms. And then apa Mbak? Setelah powerful arm? Okay, spending all of their time in the forest, in the branches, in the tree, branch to branch. Ya, mereka tinggalnya di hutan. Ya, namanya juga orangutan. Mereka hidupnya bergelantungan. Ya. Oke. Ada lagi yang bisa menambahkan? Coba lihat di sini. Did you ever see directly? Mungkin ada yang pernah ke zoo, kebun binatang di Gembiraloka yang dekat dengan kita ya. We are in Kebumen. It's near to Gembiraloka Zoo. Or ada di Taman Safari. Tapi kalau Taman Safari is so far from us in Bogor. We are in Kebumen. So it's near to Gembiraloka Zoo. Ada yang pernah lihat directly? Pernah ke Gembiraloka? Oke ya Mbak Aska? Yes. How do you think? It's scary. Are you afraid? Yes ya. Ya, dia melihat secara langsung gitu, directly ya. Pastinya dengan rambut yang panjang. Reddish itu ya tadi ya. Apa reddish? Kemerah-merahan. Dari coklat ke merah-merahan. Kayak orang bule ya sebenarnya ya. Orang bule itu kan juga warnanya rambutnya pirang ya. Oke. Okay, next, the last question. Do you think this animal dangerous? Do you think this animal dangerous? Ya, Mas? Normal, ya. It's normal, not dangerous, ya. Kecuali kalau kita mengganggunya. Ya. Kalau kita mengganggunya ya dia jadi aktif gitu ya. Jadi karena kalau kita tidak mengganggu, kita hanya melihat ya dia normal animal. Tidak yang bahaya. Oke Mbak Mas, pagi ini kita belajar tentang animals, describing animals, especially tentang orangutan. Kita di sini akan belajar tentang apa sih tujuan pembelajaran kita. Ya, kita nanti tujuannya dengan saya mendeskripsikan ini. Apa yang bisa kamu dapat dari pelajaran pagi ini? Saya harapkan kalian setelah after finish my lesson, you are able to talk about Indonesian's origin animal. Salah satunya orangutan. Orangutan itu apa sih? Yaitu Indonesian origin animal. Salah satu Indonesian origin animal. And then kalian bisa menemukan locate specific information about Indonesian's origin animal. After that, kalian semuanya bisa describe characteristics. Setelah tahu teksnya kan jadi tahu, oh ternyata orangutan itu karakteristiknya begitu. Jadi lebih paham ya nantinya ya, lebih detail. Karakteristik and features of an orangutan. Seekor orangutan is really different with monkey ya. Yes, ya. Monkey and orangutan same or different? Same or different? Different, ya. Same or different? Different, ya, different, ya. Kalau monkey biasanya punya tail. Apa itu tail? Ekor. If orangutan, they don't have tail. Oke. Oke, from the picture, kalian sudah punya bayangan tentang orangutan. Kalian tahu tujuan kita mau belajar biar kamu tambah paham tentang spesifik orangutan. Now I will give you text to read, and then you can answer the questions based on the text. Yeah, you can do with your groups. Yeah, you can discuss with your groups about the text. Okay, I will give you one by one. Yeah, from the back. Okay. You can discuss with your friends. Okay, where is your pen? Yeah, take your pen, please. Yeah, oh, fall. Okay. Yeah. Do with your friends, discuss with your friends, okay? How about orangutan? Yeah, you may discuss with your friends. It's okay. It's easy for you? Easy or difficult, Mbak? Easy. Oh, good. Yeah. So you are smart students. Yeah. After you finish your work, you can come in front with your groups to present your result with your friends. Any difficult words? Any difficult words? Tanya aja. Oh. Okay, no. Okay, Mbak Mas, you can see the text, ya. I will ask you to read the text. I will ask you come in front to read the text with your groups. Read, ya. Read the text with your groups. There are 5 paragraphs. You can read with your groups one by one. Maybe the first is the first paragraph, the second paragraph, the third paragraph, the fourth paragraph, and then the 5th paragraph come in front the first student, ya. Okay. Can you read nicely? Bisa baca dengan baik? Maybe. Okay, maybe you can listen to me and then you can repeat after me, ya. Okay. The first I will read and then please listen my reading, and then after that you will repeat after me. Okay, for the first, just listen to me, my students. Yeah. Are you sleepy? No? No, it's still morning. Okay, listen to me please. Orangutan. Orangutan are great apes from Indonesia. Orangutan means man of the forest. Ya, ternyata orangutan itu artinya orang yang di hutan. Ya. They live in Sumatra and Borneo. The scientific name of orangutan from northern Sumatra is Pongo abeli. The scientific name of orangutan from Borneo is Pongo pygmaeus. Yeah, it's different. Pongo abeli and Pongo atmeus. Orangutans have big bodies. Big bodies, ya. A male orangutan can be more than 100 kilograms. Coba saya tanya, how about you? How weight are you? How weight are you? Ya, Mas. How weight are you? Kamu beratnya berapa kilogram, Mas? Uh, 70? Yes, ya, 70 kilograms ya. Kamu bisa bayangin, berarti lebih gede lagi. Ini 100 ya. Ini kalau jadi anak yang paling gendut pun dia masih gendut lagi. 100 kilograms ya. A male orangutan is quite tall. Male-nya itu memang gede ya, cowok itu gede memang. Kayak manusia aja ya. Manusia itu cowok biasanya lebih gede dari cewek. His height can be up to 150 cm tall. Wow. Kalau manusia nggak ada ya. Manusia itu paling tingginya 180 itu udah jarang. Paling kita rata-rata 150, 160 ya untuk manusia. Ini 100, untuk manusia itu nggak ada 100. Manusia biasanya 160 or 170. Ini 150, berarti dia lebih pendek ya. Female orangutan are smaller and shorter than male. Ya, dia lebih pendek. A mature female orangutan weight about 40 kilograms. Her head is about 120 cm tall. Berarti pendek ya. Bu Erni aja tingginya 155 cm. Berarti saya kayak tingginya orangutan yang cowok tadi. Sekitar itu. Ternyata kesimpulannya orangutan itu shorter than human being. Shorter, lebih pendek. Kamu berapa? How tall are you? 160? Maybe more. 160 or more. Sahrul is 160 cm or maybe more. Yeah. Okay, orangutan have reddish brown hair. Reddish brown hair. Rambut coklat kemerah-merahan. Unlike monkeys, ya, it's different with monkey, ya. They don't have tails, ya. If monkey has tail, and orangutan doesn't have tail. They have strong arms, ya, strong arms. Use their arms to swing between branches, swing. Orangutan live with their small family groups. Mereka punya family juga loh, nggak cuma kayak kamu. Ya, kamu ada family kan? Your parents, your brother, your sister, atau maybe your uncle, your aunt, your grandfather, grandma. Orangutan has family. They usually live in the tree branches. Ya, jadi keluarganya juga tinggalnya di tree branches. They build their nests. Orangutan's favorite food is fruits. Do you like fruits, Mbak? Do you like fruits? Yes. Okay. What fruit do you like? Banana. Okay. Yeah, banana is good for us. Banana is good for us. It contains more vitamins and minerals. Jadi sebenarnya banana itu kuat. Orangutan itu kuat. Makanya kan rata-rata banana ya. Emang secara medis juga banana itu good untuk kesehatan, ya. They also eat insect. Wah, kalau kita enggak lah ya. Kita enggak eat insect ya. It's different. It's different with the orangutan. Honey. Oh, kalau kita juga makan honey ya. Minum honey juga ya. Berarti kita hampir sama dengan orangutan. Ya, eat honey, ya, oke. But we don't eat insect, ya. Barks and plants. They sometimes eat meat too. Wow, like us, like us. We are meat, rendang, steak, bakso, okay, ya, ya. Yeah, bakso, and then somai come from meat. Yeah. So some of us we are almost same with orangutan. Yes. Yeah, but it's absolutely different. Yeah. We are more smarter than orangutan. We have soul, ya, kita punya hati, kita punya smart, otak yang absolutely lebih hebat daripada orangutan. Oke? Ya. When they thirsty, they sometimes drink the water from the holes in the tree branches. Ya, mereka kalau haus minum juga, sama kayak kita. If we are thirsty, what do you do? If you are thirsty, what do you do? Yeah, drink the water. Yeah. If we are thirsty, so we will drink the water from galon, maybe from the glass. Yeah, not from the pool. Yeah. Okay. Orangutans are endangered species because their habitat is threatened by people doing deforestation. Lama-lama tuh orangutan punah loh Mbak Mas. Makanya kita sebagai generasi muda, generasi penerus bangsa, keep our rare animals, binatang-binatang yang sudah mulai punah, mulai langka, tolong, we must keep it. Kita harus menjaganya supaya tidak punah. Jangan sampai generasi yang akan datang hanya mendengarkan ceritanya saja tentang orangutan. Orangutan kayak apa sih? Belum pernah lihat. Kenapa? Karena tadi punah ya. So we must keep one of the rare animal like orangutan. Seperti binatang langka apa saja contohnya? Komodo, ya, oke. Yes? Elephants, ya. Kadang kita listen the news, baca-baca berita itu elephants meninggal, mati, ditembak dan sebagainya. Ya, semoga itu tidak terus-menerus ya. Kita harus keep our animals, rare animals especially. The number of Bornean orangutans around 2017 was estimated about 104,000. Tinggal 104 aja, 104.000 aja. Padahal kita itu Indonesia punya hutan yang begitu luasnya. And Sumatra orangutans about 7,500. Ya, it less than Bornean orangutans. Okay, do you understand the text? Yes, yeah. Do you understand the text? Yes, yes. Okay, and then you can read nicely. Can you read the text nicely? Yes, ya, bisa dong ya. Nanti come in front and then read the text nicely. Perlu saya ajari kemudian repeat or no? Repeat after me or no? Yes, okay, ya. Just listen and then you repeat after me ya. Ya, read. I will read. Orangutans are great apes from Indonesia. Orangutan means man of the forest. They live in Sumatra and Borneo. The scientific name of orangutan from northern Sumatra is Pongo abeli. And the scientific name of orangutan from Borneo is Pongo pygmaeus. Orangutans have big bodies. A male orangutan can be more than 100 kilograms. A male orangutan is quite tall. His head can be up to 150 centimeters tall. Female orangutans are smaller and shorter than the males. A mature female orangutan's weight is about 40 kilograms. Her head is about 120 centimeters tall. Orangutans have reddish brown hair. Unlike monkeys, they don't have tails. They have strong arms. They use their arms to swing between branches. Orangutans live with their small family groups. They usually live in the tree branches. Where they build their nests. Orangutans' favorite food is fruits. They also eat insects, honey, bird eggs, pork, and plants. They sometimes eat meat too. When they are thirsty, they sometimes drink the water from holes in the tree branches. Orangutans are an endangered species because their habitat is threatened by people doing deforestation. The number of Bornean orangutans around 2017 was estimated about 104,000. And the Sumatran orangutans about 7,500. Okay, you can come in front with your groups. The first group, please come in front. Read the text and then answer the questions. Yeah.
Orangutans.
Read the
Orangutans are apes.
Read the text first. Aska.
Orangutans are great apes from Indonesia. Orangutan means man of the forest. They live in Sumatra and Borneo. The scientific name of orangutan from northern Sumatra is Pongo abeli, and the scientific name of orangutan from Borneo is Pongo pygmaeus. Orangutans have big bodies. A male orangutan can be more than 100 kilograms. A male orangutan is quite tall. His head can be up to 150 centimeters tall. Female orangutans are smaller and shorter than the males. A mature female orangutan's weight is about 40 kilograms. Her head is about 120 centimeters tall.
Yeah, next.
Orangutan have very strong head. Unlike monkeys, they do not have teeth. They have strong arms. They use their arms to swim between branches.
Orangutans live with their small family groups. They usually live in the tree branches where they build their nests. Orangutans' favorite food is fruit. They also eat insects, honey, bird eggs, bark, and plants. They sometimes eat meat too. When they are thirsty, they sometimes drink the water from holes in the tree branches.
Next.
Orangutans are an endangered species because their habitat is
Threatened by people.
people
Curi.
deforestation. The number of orangutans around
2017
was estimated at about 104,000, and the Sumatran orangutans about
7,500.
7,500.
Yeah, next. Answer the question, please. Number one.
Orangutans are apes.
Apes ya. Orangutans are apes. Tapi great apes ya. Next. Number two. 150. 150 meters tall. Okay, next, number 3, Mas.
Orangutans have strong arms.
Okay, good. Next, number 4.
Orangutans can be categorized as omnivores.
Okay, nice.
There are about the total orangutans in Sumatra and Borneo.
Okay.
1,100.
100,011. 500.
500.
Okay. Okay. Good for the first group. Ya, give applause. Ya, thank you, Mbak. Oke. Ice breaking dulu nih kayaknya. Masih semangat? Keep your spirit? Ya, please stand up. Please stand up. All of you stand up. Kalau saya ngomong ke depan, ke samping, atau ke depan, ke atas, ke belakang aja lah ya, daripada ke samping nanti jadi mengganggu temannya. Ke depan, ke atas, ke bawah, ke belakang. Itu aja. Oke, yuk. Ke depan. Ke atas. Ke bawah. Ke bawah, tetap ke bawah loh ya. Jangan ikuti saya. Next, and then ke atas. Kan nggak konsen, ke atas. Jadi bukan lihat saya, tapi konsentrasi. Pegang hidung. Nah, pegang hidung ya, bukan pegang pipi. Oke. Ke bawah. Ke depan. Iya. Pegang telinga. Pegang telinga apa pegang dagu? Pegang hidung. Okay, it's nice. Yuk, sit down please. Ya, continue your groups. Ini masih ada berapa grup lagi ya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Masih ada 7 grup, and then mungkin kalau nggak cukup waktunya perwakilan aja, is okay. Ya, the second group, kamu Mbak, come in front please. Yo Mas. Yuk, read the text.
Orangutans are great apes from Indonesia. Orangutan means man of the forest. They live in Sumatra and Borneo. The scientific name of orangutan from northern Sumatra is Punggabel, and the scientific name of orangutan from Borneo is Pongopik Nes. Orangutan have big bodies. A male orangutan can be more than 100 kilograms. Male orangutan is quite tall. His height can be up to 150 centimeters tall. Female orangutans are smaller and shorter than the males. Of matter, female orangutan's weight is about 40 kilograms. Her height is about 120 centimeters tall.
Orangutan have red and brown white on your head. The height of the head is on the swing between the
Orangutans are like that small family group. They live in the drainage where they build their nests. Orangutans' favorite food is fruits. They also eat insects, honey, with eggs, egg, and plants. They swim when they are occasionally drink the water from others in the
3 branches.
tree branches.
Okay, next.
Orangutans are endangered species because their habitat is threatened by humans. Estimate about 104,000 and Sumatra orangutans about 7,500.
Okay, good. Ya. Bagus ya bacanya ya. Berarti emang ini smart student semua ini ya. Ya, number one, answer the questions. Answer the questions.
Number 1. Orangutans are apples.
Apps, ya. Number two. Next, number three. Next.
Orangutans can be gathered as omnivores.
Omnivores. Next. The last.
5. They are above orangutan in Sumatra and Borneo. C. 100,000 to 11,500.
Okay, good. Yeah, give applause. Yeah. Sit down, please. Ya, who's next? Who's next? Siapa yang ingin maju tanpa disuruh? Ya, oke. Maybe your group, Mbak. Come in front. Ya, oke, come in front. Ya. Read the text, please. Read the text first. Orangutan.
Are big apes from Indonesia. Orangutan means man of the forest.
Okay.
They live in Sumatra and Borneo. The scientific name of orangutan from northern Sumatra is Pongo aredi, and the scientific name of orangutan from Borneo is Pongo pigeonus.
Next.
Orangutans have big bodies. A male orangutan can be more than 100 kilograms. A male orangutan is tall. His height can be up to 150 centimeters tall. Female orangutans are smaller and shorter than females. A mature female orangutan's weight is about 14 kilograms. Her height is about 120
Centimeters tall.
centimeters tall. Orangutans have very small hair, unlike monkeys. They do not have tails. They have two arms. They use their arms to swim between branches. Orangutan like the very small honey group, the sunlight in the tree branches. When the bird the nest, orangutan hope with food is fresh. They also eat insects, honey, bird, with eggs, bird, and plants. They sometimes eat meat too. When they are thirsty, they sometimes drink the water from holes in the tree branches.
Next.
Orangutan are an species with that is capable with skin. The number of original orangutan
2017.
17 about
104,000.
4,000 and the Sumatra orangutan about
1,000. Okay, so answer the question, please. Next.
male orangutan berani
Orangutan has strong.
Next.
orangutan can be read as herbivores.
Herbivores or omnivores? Omnivores, yeah. Be careful. Orangutan include omnivores, ya, because they eat insect, they eat fruits, ya. Jadi masuknya ke omnivores. Next, Mas, Mbak.
There are about 100
11,000.
11,000
Oh, yeah.
orangutan in Sumatra and Borneo.
Okay, good. Give applause to your friends. Yeah. Yeah. Who is turn? Lanjutannya siapa? Who is turn? Okay. Come in front. Yeah. Sini lagi, sini lagi. Nah.
Orangutan means man of the forest. They live in Sumatra and Borneo. The scientific name of orangutan from northern Sumatra is Pongo ardeli, and the scientific name of orangutan from Borneo is Pongo pygmaeus. A male orangutan can grow to 100 kilograms. A male orangutan is pretty short. His beak can reach to 100 centimeters. Male orangutan is smaller and shorter than the male. This male orangutan weighs about 40 kilograms. Her beak is about 120 centimeters.
Unlike monkeys, they do not have tails. They have strong arms. They use their arms to swing their branches. Orangutan live with their small family group. They usually live in the tree woods where they build their nests. Orangutans' favorite food is fruit. They also eat insects, honey, bird, eggs, bark, and plants.
Okay.
They sometimes eat meat too when they are thirsty. They sometimes drink the water from wells in the tree bushes.
Orangutans are an endangered species because their habitat was by people during deforestation. The numbers of Borneo orangutans around 2017 was estimated at about 104,000, and the Sumatran orangutan is about
7,500.
7,000.
Okay. And then answer the questions, please. Yeah, next, number 2.
Male orangutan can be 1,050.
Okay, next.
Number 3. Orangutans have strong arms.
Next.
4. Orangutans can be categorized as omnivores.
Next.
The age-group orangutan is 100 to 11,500.
Okay, finish. Okay. Thank you. Okay, give applause to your friends. Yeah. The next group is your groups. Come in front. Nearer, please. Nearer. So I can hear nicely. Yeah. Please speak up.
A male orangutan can be more than 100 Many larger animals that are small a mammoth can orangutan their height is above
Okay. Please keep silent and then listen to your friends. Mas, please read loud. Yo, Mas.
Orangutans have reddish brown hair, unlike monkeys. They do not have hands. They have strong arms. They use their arms to swing between branches. Orangutans live with they actually like they breakfast if they feel they can. Orangutans avoid both eat fruit. They also eat insects, honey, sweet eggs, bark, and plants. They sometimes eat sweet too. When they are big, they sometimes drink the water from holes in the tree.
Okay, next. Okay, finish? Finish, and then you can answer the question. Please read the question and then answer it.
orangutans are
Yeah, okay. Keep silent, please. Yo, next.
there are about orangutans in Sumatera or 100
11,000. 500. Okay. Okay, finish? Okay, finish. Okay, give applause to your friends. Yeah. Who is not yet? Yang belum siapa yang belum? Yang belum whose groups? Kamu sudah, Mas? Belum, not yet. Kamu? Not yet. 2 groups only ya, yang belum ya? 3 with. Oh iya, ini. Oke, ya. Yuk, come in front, Mbak. Ya, Mas. Read the text carefully and loudly. Ya, hati-hati dan keras.
from Indonesia. Orangutan means man of the forest. They live in Sumatra and Borneo. The scientific name of orangutan from Sumatra is Pongo areum, and the scientific name of orangutan from Borneo is Pongo palinas.
Next.
Orangutan has big bodies. Male orangutan can be more than 100 kilograms. A male orangutan is quite tall. His egg can be up to 150 centimeters tall. Female orangutan are smaller and shorter than the males. A male orangutan's egg is about 40 kilograms. Their egg is about 120 centimeters tall.
Okay, finish and then answer the questions. Apps. Next, number 2. Number 3. Strong arms. Pokoknya arms-nya itu harus strong. Next.
Orangutan can be categorized as omnivorous.
Omnivores. Next. One 500. Okay. Okay, yeah. Give applause to your friends. Yeah. Yeah, sit down, Mbak. Next, the next group. The next group, please. Ya, Mbak. Come in front. Reading aloud. Baca yang keras. Nearer. Nearer. Nah. Dah, ya.
They met in the tree. Friends where they built their nest. Orangutans favorite food is fruit. They also eat insects, honey, with eggs, bark, and plants. They sometimes eat meat too. When they are thirsty, they sometimes drink the water from holes in the tree branch.
The number of Korean orangutans around 2017 was estimated at 100 or 2,000, and Sumatran orangutans at 7,000.
Okay, next. Answer the questions.
Orangutans are
Apes. Next, number 2. Next.
Orangutan have strong teeth.
Next.
For orangutan can be categorized as omnivore.
Next.
There are about 111 orangutans in Sumatra and Borneo.
Okay, good. Yeah. Give applause. The last group. We come to the last group. Yeah. Okay, come in front, Mas. Ya, oke. Tali sepatunya dibenerin dulu, Mas. Nanti keinjek. Oke. Ya. You can start ya. Read the text.
Means name of the forest. Like in Sumatra and Borneo, the scientific name of orangutan provenus and Sumatra is from Makabe. And the scientific name of orangutan provenus is from Makabe.
Next. 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 Okay, good. Yeah, give applause to the last group. Yeah. So all of you have read, have read the text, and then I think it's good enough for you. Yeah, good enough for you to read the text, and then can you understand the text? Yes, ya kita jadi tambah tahu, jadi paham bahwa orangutan ternyata punya karakteristik seperti yang ada di dalam teks yang dijelaskan, ya. Ya, it's different with monkey, but orangutan is apes, lebih ke apes, tapi apes yang gede, ya. great apps. Next, sekarang kita akan belajar tentang ini Mbak Mas. Di dalam teks yang sudah kamu baca tadi tentang orangutans, itu kan kamu lihat ada bagian-bagiannya ya, tentang deskripsinya. Deskripsi yang pertama itu tentang general classification. General classification-nya itu yang di the first sentence. Orangutans are great apes from Indonesia. Setelah itu kalian dijelaskan secara detail. Spesifik banget ya, spesifik tentang apa itu orangutans. Nah, ini di dalam teks masuknya ke report text yang terdiri dari general classification dan description. Mirip dengan teks descriptive text, cuma kalau ini lebih secara umum. Mendeskripsikan secara umum. Umumnya orangutan ya begini. Nah, umumnya orangutan ya begini. Punya big bodies, kemudian rambutnya apa? Rambutnya bagaimana? Long hair. Gimana Mbak? Rambutnya? Long hair. Reddish brown ya, reddish brown. Oke. Dari situ kita juga bisa belajar, kamu lihat deh di teks itu. Ada penjelasan tentang have dan has. Di sini saya juga akan menjelaskan tentang have dan has. Look at the second paragraph. Orangutans have big bodies. Nah, oke. I will describe about the function of has and have. Okay, I will write in the whiteboard, please. Look at me. Yeah. This is in the second paragraph ya. The first sentence in the second paragraph. Ya. Ada have. Coba kalau saya ganti. Ya. Can you make notice? Lihat perbedaannya kapan pakai has dan kapan pakai have. Bisa dinotis nggak? Bisa diperhatikan nggak? Iya. Itu Bu Erni buatnya yang pertama pakai have. Yang kalimat keduanya kok pakai has. Bedanya apa? Coba. Can you answer the question? My question, Sahrul. Kapan pakai has, kapan pakai have? Kenapa itu ada different sentence? Orangutans have big bodies and orangutan has big body. Can you answer my questions? Perbedaannya, iya. Orang yang mengatakan S berarti karena lebih dari satu, oke.
Terus badis itunya belakangnya pakai ES.
Berarti more than one subject. Oke, yang kedua, kenapa has? Karena satu. Oke, bener ya, karena satu. Kok tahu satu?
Karena orangutan enggak tambahin S.
Oke, sip. Good. Great answer. Great answer. Ya, give applause to Sahrul. Ya. Ya. Di sini kita tahu penggunaan have dan has ya. Di situ ada orangutan has big body. Tapi kalau orangutans have big bodies. Ya. Ini bisa kita gunakan dalam kalimat sehari-hari. Misalnya, buatnya apa? For example ya, for example. Aska has apakah? Aska has new apa, Kak? new bag. Paling gampang ya. Aska has new bag. Has. Karena subjeknya Aska. Singular. Satu, single ya, orang satu. Bagaimana kalau saya mengatakan Aska and Aska and Isna. Ini pakai apa? Has apa have? Yakin? Have apa has? Has apa have? Yakin? Oke, sip. Have. Have new apa? Ya, new pants. Oke, ya. Aska, Isna. Oh, Aska and Isna ya ini ya. Sorry, ya. Aska and Isna has. Sorry. Aska and Isna have new pants. Tapi kalau Aska only, Aska has a new bag. Okay, can you understand my explanation? Jelas nggak? Yes, okay, good. Yeah. So from the text we can study about the using of has and have. Ternyata kita di sini juga belajar penggunaan has dan have. Setelah itu lihat tuh, second paragraph kan tadi orangutans have big bodies ya. Kemudian the third paragraph juga ada. Orangutans have reddish brown hair. Have lagi ya, karena yang dijelaskan ini orangutansnya lebih dari satu orangutan secara general, maka pakainya have. Orangutans have reddish brown hair. Kemudian ada lagi penggunaannya menjadi they don't have. They don't have tails. They don't have tails. Jadi kalau sudah pakai don't have ya, verb 1 ya. They have strong arms. Nah, kalau saya mengubah menjadi they have strong arms. Oke. Nah, kalau saya mau bikin kalimat coba. Lingga, ya, for example, Lingga. Lingga is my lovely student. Ya, ini anak baik ya. Lingga pakainya has apa have? Has apa have? Have apa has? Has, yakin. Oke. Has. Lingga has strong arms. Ya, Bu, kok kenapa ya pakai has dan have itu berbeda? Kesimpulannya apa? Ketika subjeknya lebih dari satu, maka pakai have. Kalau lebih, ya kalau satu itu pakainya has. Oke, that's all my explanation. Any questions? Ya, oke, thank you. Thank you for today ya. Yo, we can finish our lesson. Please lead to greeting. Greet.
Get ready. Greet to the teacher.
Okay, good morning my students. Hopefully you can understand my explanation ya. We can understand our English lesson today about report yang di sini penjelasannya tentang orangutan. Karakteristik about orangutan. So it can bisa menambah kalian kosakatanya dan pemahaman karakteristik tentang orangutan. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.